I was scraping and digging around over there. I come up along the stream here a little bit, and I just moved this rock, and I see right behind it, there's a bottle poking out of the ground there. Let's see what it is. It is a Minard's Liniment. Right on. I think that's the first one I got out of this hole, or this location. Looks like there might be some other glass around here too. Some metal debris up in there. There's a piece of metal there. Alright, I'll keep looking around the edge here. This little cork top just rolled out. It's got a D.D.D embossed on the face of it. It's machine made. First time I've seen one of those. Alright, on to the next. Look at this, folks. Another big ginger beer, but it's broke too. Let's see if I can get it out. I'll pause you for now and try to get it out. There it is, folks. Broken 3 pieces. Almost 4. Well, I might be able to see if I can glue that one back together too. Okay, over and out. 2 more finds, folks. This is just an amber slick. It's an oldie. I thought it was a Buckley's bottle when I first seen it, but it isn't. Well, it doesn't say Buckley's anyways. It looks just like one. I got the cork top Pendleton's Panacea bottle. That one may be blown. Alright, on to the next. Popped out this Cognac Monnet bottle, and I pulled out a smaller version of it here a couple minutes ago too. That's different. Screw top though. I'd like to find a cork top. Alright. Get you back up in a bit. Oh, this liquor bottle, folks. I don't think it's real old. 50s maybe. Might look like it might be from the 40s, but this is Burnett white satin. I'll keep it and look it up, see what I can find out about it. Kind of cool shape. Alright. Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well. Back with the recap. This was the 3rd dig at this particular site. We got a few decent things here. We'll start over here. We got 2 sizes of this Cognac Monnet brandy bottle. The larger size and a smaller size. This is the first time I found a small one. They're both screw top. And the larger one here had the original cap on it. So that's kind of cool. And if I look at the back here on the threads, I'll see if I can get focused on it. There's actually a registered date up here under the threads. And it's probably not going to focus in. Oh, there we go. We can keep it there. It's 1932. I don't know if you're how well you can see that. $1932. Okay. Got 2 more Horner's bottles with the dosage cap on them. This cap's actually in pretty good shape. And they both have the cork still in them as well. So that's always good. Here's this other big ginger beer bottle. It was 3 pieces. I glued them back together. Now this one doesn't have the Buck and Six Portobello stamp on it, like this first one that I found there does. Right down here. The Buck and Six Portobello. and I glued this one back together as well. What else we got here? We got the Pendleton's Panacea. 3 more of those there. Somebody was hard on the old Pendleton's Panacea. This one's a blown bottle. It's probably early 1900s. These ones are probably from the 1920s. Up here I just have some common bottles. This is a common graduate medicine. Find lots of these around. Very common actually. And just an ink bottle. It's not embossed. Kind of looks like a Carter's, but. And another Listerine bottle. Down here, got this here little medicine bottle. It's Dominion glass, 1928 to after 1928 rather. And the D.D.D on the front of it, embossed. And that is, it's medicine for skin disorders, and it was developed by Dr. Decatur D. Dentist. And that's what all these D's are for. And this is a blown bottle. It's probably from the 30s. A Minard's Liniment, machine made. It's got a nice greenish hue to it. And it's pain reliever. Found lots of those in my videos. This here I thought was going to be a Buckley's bottle, and it may be. It's the exact same shape as the Buckley's bottle, but there's no embossing on it. So I don't know what that means, but it's a nice bottle nonetheless. And then I got a Burnett's white satin gin bottle. Now this I did not find at the same location as this other stuff. I left that location, made another stop, and picked this one up at a different location. And that's a nice bottle, and I'm guessing that's probably from the 50s, 60s maybe. I don't know for sure. I couldn't find an exact same type online, same shape. But there it is. That's a nice bottle. So that's basically everything there. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the roundup. And we'll catch us all on the next one.